Why doesn't my insurance company like my dog? Studies show that most liability claims are due to dog bites. Most companies have an unacceptable dog breed list that they refer to when they are considering accepting a new policy. These breeds are known for their aggressive behavior. The list may change from year to year based on reported claims. Please make sure you discuss your pets with your agent. Any undisclosed information could lead to an uncovered loss and put you and your family in financial jeopardy.